If you were hoping that Samsung would finally introduce full onboard Qi 2 magnetic charging with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it's looking increasingly unlikely, as the latest information suggests the company is still hesitant to commit to the standard in a native way. A new leak claims the S26 Ultra once again skips the built-in magnets required for true Qi 2 alignment, meaning users may still need an optional case if they want the full magnetic charging experience. The claim comes from Ice Universe, who states that independent sources with a track record of complete accuracy have confirmed the absence of integrated magnets on the device. This lines up with earlier whispers pointing in the same direction, even though earlier in the cycle there was growing optimism that Samsung would adopt the feature outright rather than relying on accessories to fill the gap. Qi 2 charging is clearly gaining momentum across the industry, with both Apple and Google leaning heavily into magnet-assisted charging ecosystems, yet Samsung appears to be charting a more cautious route. One of the biggest reasons for Samsung's hesitation seems to be the value it places on reverse wireless charging. The company has offered the feature consistently since the Galaxy S10, and it remains a genuinely practical way to top up earbuds, smartwatches, or even a friend's phone while on the go. The problem is that Qi 2 magnets can interfere with reverse charging coils, as we saw with the Pixel 10 series when Google embraced its new magnetic accessory system and dropped reverse wireless charging entirely. Samsung appears unwilling to make that trade-off, especially when the feature continues to be part of the brand's identity. Stylus support introduces another complication. The S Pen relies on a sensitive digitizer layer, and strong magnets placed directly behind the display can disrupt that system. Even as Samsung experiments with the S Pen's role in its lineup, it still treats the stylus as a core part of the Ultra experience, which makes magnet placement a difficult engineering choice. These are the kinds of design tensions that aren't immediately visible from the outside, but they shape how quickly a company can adopt new standards. While some users may find it frustrating that Samsung is not taking the same path as its competitors, the company seems to be leaning toward flexibility rather than forcing a hard shift. By keeping reverse wireless charging and stylus functionality intact while offering Qi 2 support through dedicated cases, Samsung maintains compatibility with the growing Qi 2 ecosystem without discarding features many customers still value. It's a compromise that won't please everyone, but it shows a deliberate effort to preserve what gives the Galaxy Ultra its character. The Galaxy S26 lineup is expected to debut at Samsung's February 25 Unpacked event, where the company will finally confirm exactly how it plans to handle wireless charging across the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Even if magnetic charging doesn't arrive in the ideal way some users hoped, Samsung is preparing several meaningful upgrades elsewhere, from a new privacy-oriented display to improved low-light camera performance, which should help round out the overall experience in a way many users will appreciate. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.